Welcome. My name is Riaz, and this is my channel Echo Envision. If you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. Have you ever thought that living like a millionaire is impossible without the millions? What if I told you it's all about mindset, strategy, and some savvy tricks? Welcome to Millionaires on a Budget, where we show you how to live a rich, fulfilling life without a fortune. Today, we'll talk about millionaire habits, budgeting tips, leveraging deals, and ways to enjoy luxury experiences for less. Let's dive in. The millionaire mindset. 1. True wealth starts in the mind. Millionaires value experiences, time, and quality over quantity. Example, Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest people, still lives in the same modest home he bought decades ago. Why? Because it's about value, not appearances. 2. The mindset, think long term. Avoid impulse buys. Ask yourself, will this add lasting value to my life? Embrace minimalism. Owning fewer, better things brings more satisfaction than a cluttered life. Focus on personal growth. Invest in skills and knowledge, these are assets no one can take away from you. Smart spending strategies. Budget like a millionaire. 1. Use the 50/30/20 rule. 50% of income for essentials, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. 2. Track your spending with apps like Mint or Wine app. 3. Example, a young professional saved $10,000 in a year by simply cutting out subscriptions they didn't use and meal prepping instead of dining out daily. 4. Buy quality over quantity. Spend more upfront on things that last longer, like a high-quality winter coat or durable cookware. Example, spending $200 on a coat that lasts 10 years saves you money compared to buying $50 coats that last one season. 5. Leverage discounts, coupons, and cashback apps. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Groupon can save hundreds annually. Millionaires know that every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Living luxuriously for less. 1. Travel like a pro, use credit card rewards to book free flights or hotel stays. Travel during off-peak seasons for significant discounts. Example, a couple traveled Europe for $1,500 using airline miles and staying at affordable Airbnbs. 2. Dining on a budget, check for lunch specials at fine dining restaurants. Try Restaurant Week events in your city. Example, a foodie enjoyed a Michelin star meal for under $50 during a special promotion. 3. Create luxury at home, DIY projects can transform your home. Thrift stores often have high-end furniture for a fraction of the price. Example, a person revamped their living room for $300 using second-hand finds and creativity. Building wealth. 1. Invest wisely, start small, you don't need to be rich to invest. Start with $100 in ETFs like VU or QQQM, automate your investments to build wealth passively. 2. Save with a purpose, set specific financial goals, for example, save $5,000 for a vacation. High-yield savings accounts are great for short-term goals. 3. Side hustles and passive income. Explore side hustles like freelancing, selling products online, or creating digital content. Millionaires often have multiple income streams. Example, a teacher earned an extra $20,000 a year by selling printables on Etsy. Networking and personal growth. 1. Network strategically, attend free events, webinars, or meetups to connect with like-minded individuals. It's not what you know but who you know. 2. Invest in learning, read books, take online courses, or listen to podcasts. Example, self-taught skills like graphic design or coding can open doors to better paying opportunities. 3. Recap the key points. 3. To live like a millionaire on a budget, adopt the right mindset, spend smartly, prioritize quality, and invest in your growth. 3. Remember, living rich isn't about the money, it's about the value you create with what you have. Start small, think big, and you'll feel like a millionaire in no time. 3. What's your favorite millionaire habit? Share in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life. 4. Final boost. 5. Remember, every like and subscribe helps this community grow stronger. Together, we can make financial freedom a reality for everyone who's ready to take action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.